In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Doordash mileage for tax deductions. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your delivery miles in the Dasher app, what to expect from Doordash at tax time, and how to keep precise records so you don't leave money on the table. Start by opening the Dasher app and checking your weekly Dash summary. This view shows your active delivery miles, which generally cover the distance from when you accept an order to when you complete the drop-off. It's a quick snapshot that helps you monitor your mileage as you go. Take a moment each week to review these numbers so you stay aware of your running total. Remember, the weekly Dash summary focuses on active delivery miles and may not include other driving you do for work, so think of it as a baseline rather than the full picture. Next, keep an eye out for the annual mileage statement that Doordash sends in February for the previous year. This statement typically summarizes your total active delivery miles across the year and is useful when organizing your tax documents. Save it as a PDF or email in a clearly labeled folder so it's easy to find later. While this statement is helpful, it's still limited to active miles only, which is why many drivers add their own tracking for more complete records. For greater precision, consider using a third-party mileage app like Stride, Everlance, or MileIQ. These apps can automatically detect trips, categorize them as business, and generate detailed logs and reports. That level of detail makes it much easier to reconcile your numbers at tax time. Set your app to auto-track when you start working and review trips periodically to confirm they're properly labeled. The ability to export reports is especially valuable if you need to share documentation with a tax professional. Be sure to record all business-related driving to maximize your tax deductions. This includes the driving you do that's directly connected to your deliveries, such as traveling to a pickup and moving between drop-offs. Avoid mixing in personal errands and double-check your logs for accuracy. Consistency is key. Keeping your records updated regularly can save you hours later and helps ensure your totals are correct. The bottom line is simple. Keeping detailed mileage records helps you claim the correct tax deduction for delivery expenses. Use the Dasher app's weekly Dash summary for quick visibility, rely on Doordash's annual mileage statement as an official year-end reference, and, for the most complete picture, let a dedicated mileage app fill in the gaps. With clear, consistent tracking, you'll head into tax season confident and ready.